Alright, so I have gotten to do the intro for this week's video. We're putting the light on Teresa's rally and for Patrick's buddy. Just finishing up doing that. Going for a bit of a tour around in the park, through the rock garden. We've broken Jet's go-kart, snapped the steering, which we will fix in next week's video. So hopefully you can enjoy this one, and we'll catch you next week for the next one. Thank you. Alright, so I've gotten a bit ahead of myself, and so we're putting a light on the orange for Teresa. So it's going to go up underneath the front plastic. We're going to attach it back here to the plate using an offset aluminium bracket, which we're going to rivet into the steel, which will be in turn riveted to the back of this little bracket I'm making here, due to the fact that there's no mounting hardware for this light that I've had sitting in stock for years. So I've got to drill some holes in this bracket and I'll be back with you. Right, so we have our holes in our bracket. We're going to use these slotted holes here in the light to attach that. I'm either going to use rivets or screws, depending on what works better. Let's just have a look what I have in stock. These little quick stack containers are amazing. I reckon we're going to use that. Helper in the background here, saving a box. At least he's not bashing his brother for once. His older brother. Alright, gonna need 2 hands for this, bear with me. Alright, so we've got the plate on there, and we've just got to figure out where the bracket will land, and we'll go from there. Alright, looks like we're going to have to take the front plastics off, which is fairly easy. It's just a couple of bolts back in there. Alright, so we've got that off. It's hard to see there, but we're going to go with about a rivet there and a rivet there. Hold it on. Let me just drill those holes and I'll pick this back up. Alright, so I skipped a few steps. This filming every step thing will only get better as I go. So we've got light bracket riveted to the back of the bracket for the front plastics, and now we just got to route the cable up the frame and possibly mount the battery here. Not sure yet. Alright, so now we start the wiring, which basically is going to end up being here. We're going to rivet through the plastic, I think, into here somewhere. There's a couple of steel straps, but that'll have to wait till the adapters get here, which I've got on order on Amazon. It should be here at some point today. Alright, so our battery adapter has arrived. It's going to go here, here or there somewhere. So we've got our wiring, so we might actually put it on the other side so that we can go down, around and under here without wiring harness. Nope. Alright, so we're going to have to use the smallest batteries if we're going to leave it here, which is fine keeps it out of the way. Nice and simple. There we go, even matches the colour scheme. There we go. Nice neat setup. Alright, because I forgot to actually film when I finished doing the light on this one. Delilah is being my riding model. Oh, here we go. This will count for the next bit of the video where I finish doing the Mad Lads light. Right, so our adapter has arrived. Now, it's all set up and ready to go. This might need a rivet in the back. Not sure. Don't mind the kids in the background. Just enjoying life on the go-karts. Waiting for me to hurry up and finish this. Alright, so see if I can film this left-handed and mark this out. West. This is laziness at its greatest. Perfect. Then we go to the wall, try one of these old bigger batteries on here. Perfect. Alright, finished product. Nice and secure. Here we go. Coming, Patrick? Yeah.
I'm going to do it again. I just like this way. I thought.
Oh, you're bogged. I love you too, buddy. No. Not allowed to hurt yourself.
Oh yes, this. That was my motorbike one. We're going, I'm really to go this way and go down this way.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to myself going that way. That's why. Go that way.
You did!
I did it over.
Bit of forward driving here today. Oh, Delilah's stuck. Ah.
No. Oh no, I need speed to do this.
Pedal!
She can stop. I just get speed to do it. Come on.
Oh, she got out. Finally. Alright, go Jet. There we go.
This guy and his weird faces. Reverse over him. Yeah, we should get a GoPro so we can strap it to your head. Oh. It's like Mum's going to have a go at four-wheel driving. She doesn't know how to reverse. No different to her driving a car. There's the look. Had to be said. You're a sook. See if I can do it while holding the camera. Toot toot! How's your reversing skills?
Oh, very good, you know this. That's full driving.